Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare L-carnitine versus L-arginine. L-carnitine is an amino acid derivative crucial for energy production. It helps transport fatty acids into your cell's mitochondria, where they are burned for fuel. Your body naturally produces it, and you can also find it in foods like red meat and dairy. Many people consider supplementing with L-carnitine to support their exercise performance and fat metabolism goals. Now, let's look at L-arginine. This amino acid is vital for producing nitric oxide, a molecule that helps relax and widen your blood vessels. This process is essential for maintaining healthy blood flow, supporting cardiovascular function, and even boosting your immune system. You can find L-arginine in many protein-rich foods, such as nuts, seeds, legumes, and different types of meat. While both are amino acids, their primary functions differ. L-carnitine is mainly involved in transporting fats for energy, making it popular for those focused on fat loss or endurance. L-arginine, on the other hand, is a precursor to nitric oxide, which is crucial for blood vessel dilation and circulation. Therefore, L-arginine is often favored for cardiovascular health and muscle pumps during exercise. Deciding between L-carnitine and L-arginine depends on your individual health and fitness goals. If your focus is on fat metabolism and energy, L-carnitine might be more suitable. If you're aiming for better blood flow, cardiovascular support, or muscle pumps, L-arginine could be your choice. Always consult a healthcare professional before adding any new supplement to your routine to ensure it's right for you. Also, check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.